Open PandaOffice Drecov. At this point, your camera's SD card will pop out in the middle. Click to scan. Preview is supported during the scanning process. Select by file type, double-click to preview the photo, or scroll through it. You can select all, or check individual ones. After making the selection, click Recover at the lower right corner. Save on a disk other than the camera's SD card. Original location saving is not supported. Finally, it was successfully restored. The photo you just selected is now on your computer. Special note: mobile phone data cannot be restored temporarily, whether it is a local disk, a camera SD card, or a USB flash drive. You can choose Deep Scan Recovery, which will deeply scan the corresponding disk. If the file is damaged, you can choose Corrupted File Repair, which supports video, photo, audio, and document.